Hello guys, welcome back to SciTech Hub. In our previous video we have learned about if-else conditions. In this video we will learn about another conditional statement, switch, and we will also learn the ternary operator. So what is switch statement? It evaluates an expression and will match that expression's value with some clauses. Let's go to the code. Let me delete it, our previous code. So we need to check whether the document is loaded, so we need this code, as we have included the demo.js file in the header section, and after that we will bind output in the div result, so we require it. Okay, so first, how to write switch. First we need to write switch with parenthesis, and we will pass the expression within that parenthesis, then it's curly braces. Then we need to write the clauses, and for that we require a case keyword and the clauses. Then we need to perform the action here and a break keyword. Okay, so case value again, break, and another is a default. Okay, so this is the syntax of a switch. Here we need to pass the expression, and these are the clauses which will match with the value. Okay, so we will take a variable, we declare a variable, say name. Okay, name is a variable, and we need to pass this name within this parenthesis. Okay, and and with this case we need to check this name is equals to this value or not. Okay, so let me write some clauses. Here we will match the name with some player's name, and if it is satisfied, then we will print their class name. Okay, so Ronaldo. Okay, if it is Ronaldo, then document id, document.get element by id, result dot inner html is equals to Real Madrid. Okay, Messi, if it is Messi, paste it here. Club will be Barcelona, right? And if it is, let me copy paste this thing, Alt Shift F to format the code. Neymar, club PSG, and Alt Shift F, Jatan, LA Galaxy, right? Okay, and if it is default, in default we will print no match. Oops. I forgot to write the colon here. So now we need to assign some value to check. Say first Ronaldo. So what happened, the name is now Ronaldo, so it comes here, so expression's value is Ronaldo, right? It will find where the Ronaldo is. Okay, so it will find here and will execute this, and this, after that, this break will return the code from here without executing these lines of code. Okay, so for that we can find in browser that the club is Real Madrid. Yes, it's showing club is Real Madrid. So let me check with Messi. What will it say? Yes, Barcelona. Oops. Neymar, for Neymar. Yeah, PSG. And if it will not match anything, then no match, it will come to the default. So default means this expressions value is not satisfying with any of these clauses. So let me tell you two to three more things I need to mention here. One is this checking process is totally completely case sensitive. That means if I write like Neymar like this, and it will show the PSG. If I change a caps N with small n, it will show no match. Okay, so it is completely a case sensitive thing. Okay, another thing is here, if we miss any break, then what will happen? If we miss any break, then it will execute all the clauses after where the break is missing, unless and until it finds the break keyword. So here the Neymar's break is, I have removed that break. So what happened? It will also execute this section and it will find break here and it will leave the block. Okay, so here the expression is Neymar, right? It should print PSG, but here we don't have break. So see, it is showing LA Galaxy. It's the same thing. If we remove this break here and this break here, and if I change the expression value to Ronaldo, what will happen? It will show PSG, because Ronaldo, it executes this, then it will come here and didn't find any break, then it will come here and it will executes this line and it finds break here and will return the code from here. So the result is club PSG. Okay, so break is required. And another thing I want to mention here, that this checking process is completely a strict comparison. That means it is not only checking the value, it is also checking the data type. Okay, let me change this value quickly. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and change this to 1, means integer 1, and these are the string 1, string 2, string 3, string 4. Okay, so see, no match. So that means it's strict comparisons, means triple equals to, remember in our previous video. Okay, so this is the switch cases. Another thing, and here we put default, but we can also put a default anywhere within the switch block. Okay, means this is same, we can put here at the top of this block. So it's not mandatory, to put default at the last, but it's a good practice. Now move to the multi-case single operation. What is that? That means the expression can satisfy any of the clause but will perform one action. Okay, so let me show you what is that. Let me delete it, these clauses. Let me with the break option in document.write, we will show I am a footballer. Okay, and guess Federer. Document dot write document dot get element by id dot inner HTML equals to I'm a tennis player. So, and we can put another case here with the clause Nadal. Okay, oops. Okay, so what that means, if the expression value is Ronaldo, then it will check these four conditions. If it satisfies any of these conditions, it will execute this section. If it is not satisfied with any of these clauses, it will show you the no match. Here Ronaldo, I'm giving the expressions value is Ronaldo. No, so now I'm putting his Jatan. Okay, so the expression name is Jatan, so it will check with these conditions whether Jatan is there or not. Yes, it is, and it will show I am a footballer, and break is there, so it will return the code from here. Okay, so let me refresh it. Yes, I am a footballer. And if we change it, the Federer, the legend, tennis legend. Oops, I did some mistake, maybe. Yeah. Why? Because I missed the break. So let me put the break here. Break. And Alt Shift F to format the indentation. I'm a tennis player. Okay, same. If I put Nadal here, the result will be the same. So this is the multi-case single operation. Okay, now I will show you the ternary operators. What's that? That is a shortcut of if else. You can write if else in a single line with the ternary operator. Okay, so let me delete it and let me declare two variable for first number. Let me assign the value 5, for second number 5, and for result, which will store output. So to write ternary operator, you need to write a parenthesis, and you need to check the conditions here within this parenthesis. So we will check first number is equals to second number or not. If it is, then this is the if block with a question mark, right? So we'll store that, and to write the else part, we need to put the colon after that, and sorry, no match. Okay, terminate line, and print that result. Document dot get element by id result dot inner html equals to result. So yes, it is matched because first number. So this is the if condition, the similar like the only difference is here we don't have any if keyword, right? If this condition satisfied, then it will execute this section. If it is not satisfied, it will come to this section after that colon section. Means if I said 6 here, not match. So this is the ternary operator. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in our next video, which will be on loops. Okay, thank you. If you find this video interesting, please like, subscribe and share with your friends, and do not forget to watch our next video in the series. Thank you.